All right, boys and girls, welcome back. I think I got a good one for you. So, get a call from a customer. You can see one-story house on a slab, and it goes up in the attic and out of the side of the house. They didn't really tell me on the phone that, they were having, well, via text. We spoke via text. So they didn't really tell me on the phone that they're having to run their dryer 2 and 3 cycles. Now, I was here, it looks like I was here in 23. But when I just walked around the side of this house, guys, it don't look like I was here in no 23. But buckle up. We're gonna do it. Come on. Oh my God. Before we go inside and look at the laundry room, so, walking around the side of the house, boom, boom, boom. I mean, it's pretty unmistakable, guys. Huh. Oh my word. Sorry about that. Man. But I don't know why my dryer's not working. That brings me to a good point, guys. A visual inspection of your home goes a long way, dude. Walk around the side of your house. Walk around the side. Look up. Look down. I don't know, man. I don't want to be rude, but at the same time, dude, you can't. Will this let me zoom in this way? Nah. But can't tell me you don't know what's wrong. So let me get my ladder down. I'll get some toys together and then go inside and we'll see what's going on in there. Let's see. Cool deal. Let's see. All right, boys and girls, let's go out here and just see what this airflow is looking like with the dryer actually running. Let's see where you at here. Listen, oh my gosh, guys. Can you hear that? I gotta stop this and take a picture of this. This is gonna be my thumbnail. I have to do this, guys, just for cause and effect, if nothing else. We'll just be nice and call it, we'll be nice and call it 100. Holy cow. All right, like normal, guys, you take these off with make a U out of them, and they pop off. This one may have something that comes off. Look at this. Look at that. Now, let me grab, hang on a second. Grab the meter and see what Yeah, see, we're already showing just from that, guys. Just from doing that. So keep that in mind. Alright, now, and you guys may find this funny, but it's what I could come up with at the time. So, fishing rod. Run the camera on the fishing rod through. Oh, we got some built up there. Hold on. I don't know, guys. I think the fishing rod thing works. The duck looks good though. See that? Do you see that? Oh, where was it? Let me see if I can find it again. All right, forget this. Let's see. Somewhere. I just saw it. Is that it up there? Okay, boys and girls. There's not going to be very much in here, but we still got to clean it since we're here. So somebody said, and they were correct, I need to run the camera through after I'm done. And I'm like, duh, why the heck would I not have done that to begin with? So let's see, with my handy little fishing rod. All right, it's got to be down like this though. All right. shoot, man. I want to try to get this so y'all can see. It's not going to show up. All right, I'll just have to put it in the video. I lost the footage. Actually, I didn't lose the footage. I never even hit record. I was too busy watching it on the camera. But if y'all look, you see they've got the seam. See, there's a lot you can see with this stuff, man. But they've got the seam down. See, that's right side up right there. They got the seam down. The seam should always be at the top of the ductwork. I can see I'm gonna have to do something about those eyelets, but that's fine. I can fix that. Awesome. Alright guys, this one was simple, man. I mean, you guys saw it. The only thing I have left to do is put the louvers back in and clean it up. But this right here, this mat of lint, well, it kind of came apart. But this mat of lint was in that damper, stopping all the airflow. Now, I said it at the beginning of this, I'm gonna say it again. Guys, a simple walk around your house. If you know your laundry room is on the left or the right-hand side of the house, go to that side and look up. Just look around, visually inspect. It'll tell you a lot about your house. I'm gonna put this back together. Y'all saw on the inside, man, this was their issue. Well, they were already pushing 1200 before I even ran the brush through. So, guys, I had to show you this. I cleaned the louvers off and put them on. So, I know they can hear that inside, man. But that's how it's working, man. I got another one coming up right after this appointment, and it's Saturday, guys. I don't like working on Saturdays, but you got to do it sometimes. So I'm gonna film the next one too. I may put them both together. So we'll see. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.